Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to use a gua sha plate. I like to massage each area of the face about 3 times. Just make sure that you glide it upwards so that way you're not dragging down your skin. And make sure to use an oil or a moisturizer before using the gua sha stone. Doing so will help glide the stone on your skin. That way it does not tug your skin. I like to work on one side of the face first and then move on to the next side. Make sure to not forget your neck. Gua sha has been used in Chinese medicine for many years, and what it really does is it reduces toxin in your body, and I'm using it here on my neck and my face to really help reduce any puffiness and toxins. I used to have Bell palsy when I was pregnant with my son, and doing this really helps loosen up the muscles, and it also helps stimulate the blood circulation and the collagen on your skin to make it more plump. On areas like my cheekbones, my cheeks, and my jawline, these areas are more curvy and more round, so I like to use the rigid side of the gua sha plate. On my neck, I like to use the rigid side of the gua sha plate, and also I like to use the flat part of the gua sha plate since it is a larger area. And once I move to my forehead, I will also use the flat part of the gua sha. I'm moving on to my forehead now using the flat part of the gua sha plate. And make sure to always move upwards when you're using the plate on your skin or on your neck. This gua sha plate is made out of agate stone. It was part of a set from Sephora that has 3 facial tools in there. I'm going to use the rigid part of the gua sha plate on my eyebrows. It is going to hug in all the right places. Make sure to glide outwards away from the middle of the face. This technique on the eyebrows is going to help release any tension that you might have, and also it helps lift the eyebrows. Now I like to use the gua sha stone on my 11s here. I really have some strong 11 lines, and I like to just massage it so it just helps loosen up those muscles. I hope you enjoyed watching this short tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.